Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Debbie here. Guys, today I am taking part in a collaboration called Getting Back on Track. Some of us do make um, resolutions for the new year. Some of us keep it, some of us don't. Guys, making a resolution to get healthy or lose weight is hard because if you don't have the support of your family and friends, it's always going to be hard, especially when you go out for dinner. Guys, I'm going to make one of my regular breakfasts that I make to start my day. And it's very simple, but it's healthy. I used to use regular bacon, and I changed that to turkey bacon, which I've been eating it now for years. Um, I always have my egg in the morning, either boil or I don't know how you guys call it, uh, bro, broach. You know when you cook it in water, or over easy. So I'm going to be making a very simple breakfast, which it consists of eggs, turkey bacon, toast, and oatmeal. That's what I eat basically every morning. So I'm going to get ready here. I have my bacon here. You guys gonna see me cooking. I usually have two slices, but since I'm going to add oatmeal today, sometimes I add fruit, sometimes I add oatmeal and walnuts. So I'm going to be having oatmeal and walnuts and my eggs and my bacon. So you guys gonna see me cooking extra bacon because I have my dogs. I have Apollo and I have Diamond, so I usually cook one for her and one for him. So I'm going to post you guys right there, and I'm going to tell you more about this collaboration. And let me get my egg and let me get my stuff ready, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. My bacon is going. Um, it's basically done, but it's not completely done because I like my bacon crispy. So now there is cooked there. What I do is I put it in the microwave and I make it crispy. So even though it's crispy, guys, this is a collaboration hosted by three lovely ladies, and the names are, let me turn around here, and the names are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girl Home Decor and Lifestyle, and Greeting with Chris Hunter. Guys, this collaboration is every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Um, guys, a lot of people, they eat and they do not count their calories. I'm gonna be honest with you, I do count my calories. I also do my exercise. Today is Sunday. Today I take it for rest. Um, I do not do exercise. I do exercise every other day, and I do from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And if I have the energy, I do for an hour. Okay, guys. My breakfast consists today of 320 calories. Okay. Actually, no. It's going to be more because I'm going to be having one egg, and I forgot to put the egg down, which is 70 calories. So the bacon slice are 30 calories each, so that's 60 calories. My bread, I use wheat bread, and that I'm gonna have two slices, so that's 70 calories each, so that's 140. And my oatmeal, which is right here, and this is my oatmeal measurement. So this is a scoop from Dunkin' Donuts from coffee, but I use it for my oatmeal. So I already have calculated my oatmeal, which is 140. That's adding my milk and my little bit of honey. So that's 140. And the butter that I will be using for my toast. Guys, I'm going to continue and then I'm going to come right back. I'm going to wash my frying pan again and do my egg there. And I will do my toast and my oatmeal, and I will present you everything that I will be having for breakfast. And of course, we cannot forget my coffee. So, guys, I'll be right back. So, guys, my breakfast is ready. And, guys, also that I want to tell you is a lot of people don't like drinking water, but through the day, sometimes you think that you are hungry, and it's actually missed signals from the body because the body is getting dehydrated, and that's one of the signals that you feel like you're hungry. So try to consume at least, you don't like water, buy those little drops that you put in your water, but try to consume water. And also for you to cut in your eating habit, the best thing is to do is drink a glass of water before you eat. So when you start eating, you get full faster. And also stop eating when you are full. Don't force yourself to eat everything that you have on your plate. You could always put it away, heat it up later, and eat it later. But don't overeat, because what that does is stress your stomach, and it takes longer for you to get full. And when you prepare your meals, every time you serve yourself, try to serve yourself less food, and your stomach start shrinking, and your body will get used to that. Guys, I'll be honest with you, I used to be a big eater. I used to weigh 215 pounds, and that's how I did it. And I went to my doctor, my primary doctor. Guys, this is advice. I am not a doctor. If you want to start any diet, consult with your doctor. The hospital will help you, because the insurance that people have, either private or if you're getting help from the government, it does not matter. They do help you to get healthier, because they rather pay for you to get healthier than for them to have to pay hospital bills when you get older. You know, like I said before, with a very strict diet, I turned I am a success. I used to be type 2 diabetes. With my help of my nutritionist, um, I don't take any medications. I used to have high blood pressure. I used to have um, my numbers spiking up. My A1C used to be 8 point something. Now my A1C is 0.5. No, it's not 8.5. It used to be 8.9 or 8.10, and I broke it down to 5.6. Guys, you can do this. You can do this. Find support groups. They do have support groups that help you with this. Consult your primary physician, and he will send you the right place. Um, like I said, if you get tired, if you find yourself, a lot of people blame it on the thyroid. I do suffer from thyroid problems. That's what I thought it was. I used to be so big, and no. If you start working out and you start walk a little bit every day, then the next day add a little more. Come home, even though if you're tired, you sit down, sit on a chair, move your arms. Um, Go out. You could be sitting down and moving your arm, move your upper body. When you come to see, all that is going to help you. All right, guys. Thank you, ladies, for hosting. I hope to see you next week with my maybe dinner. Yes. guys, here is my breakfast. Okay, I have my egg, my toast, my 2 slices of bacon, and of course over here I have my oatmeal with honey and cinnamon and my cup of coffee. So guys, thank you for watching. Ladies, thank you for hosting. And remember, like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. Guys, bon appetit. Bye bye, guys.